Guaranteed.
That you struck?
Just the left lane.
Are you not striking on the left lane?
No. Justin's about to label this.
Oh my God! Oh my God! 275. Good job, Kai.
You know, so we just got done in game 3, and I went in game 2 for 175, pretty solid 175. Shot the spare 7-10, I went 2 opens and no doubles. This game, come over here, 2 opens in the first 3 frames. Strike after I make a move. 4 more consecutive pocket hits for 9 every time. Change ball attack. 191, way to work. But what matters most is that the team's bowling good. Kai had the fun. Connor bowled 260. Doing great. Doing great. Oh, it's Leo's turn. Maybe I should record him. Go Leos! Ah, man. That was cured.
No talent. Folks, he's on a 3-bagger.
You know what that means.
He's staying.